Welcome to Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Warm greetings from SNS family. This is Dr. J. Vijayalakshmi, Department of Commerce, Computer Application. Today is my topic about, in previous slide we have discussed about the partnership. Now we'll detail see up the definition and what is partnership and how it plays a very important role in a business form. Partnership is a formal agreement by two or more parties to manage and operate a business and share its profits. There are several types of partnerships agreement. In particular, in a partnership business, all partners share liabilities, profits equally, while in other partners may have limited liabilities. There also is a called silent partners, in which one party is not involved in the day-to-day operations of the business, but is a partner of the firm. A partnership is an agreement between a two or more people to oversee the business operations and share its profits and liabilities. In a general partnership company, all members share both profits and liabilities. Professionally, it is like doctors and lawyers often form a limited liability by partnerships. There are many tax. There may be tax benefits to a partnership compared to the cooperation. So the partnership we already discussed. It is like a formal agreement. So we have different types of partners. In a broad sense, a partnership is undertaken jointly by multiple parties. The parties may be government, non-profit entrepreneurs, businesses, or private individuals. The goals of the partnerships also vary widely. Within the narrow sense of the profit venture undertaken by two or more individuals, there are three main categories of the partnership: general partnership, limited partnerships, and limited liability partnership. So, general partnership in a general partnership, all parties share legal and financial liability equally. The individuals are personally responsible for the debits the partnership taken on. The profits are also shared equally. The specifics of the profit sharing will almost certainly to be out of its partnership agreement. So, limited liability partnership are the common structure for the professionals, such as accountants, lawyers, architects. This agreement limits the partner's personal liability so that, for example, if one partner is sued for the assets for other partners are not at risk. Some law and accounting firm makes a feature distinction between the equal partners and shared parties. So limited partnership are the hybrid of the general partnership and limited liability partnership. At least one partner must be a general partner with full personal liabilities for the partnership debts. At least other is in a silent partner whose liability is limited to the amount of invested. This silent partner generally does not participate in the management or day-to-day operations of the partnership. Finally, the named limited partnership is new and relatively uncommon. So, taxes and partnerships. There is no federal status or the defining the partnership, but the internal revenue code are referred in the partnership. The partnership do not pay income tax. The tax responsibility passes through the partners who are not considered employees for tax purpose. Individuals in the partnerships may receive more favorable tax treatments than if they for any other comparing to the corporates. So that is the corporate profit are taxed as the in the divided paid on the owned and shareholders. The partnership profits, on the other hand, are not double taxed in this way. So this is the intro and about the what is partnership, and it is a common and is a relationship between the persons who have agreed to share the profits of the business carried out by all or any of them acting for all. So it is all about the partnerships. Thank you.